if you keep on following those law of attraction techniques, and if you keep on learning those law of attraction and switch words and spells and whatnot, these techniques, it's not going to help you. You will get overwhelmed. You will feel, oh, I know something that people are not knowing, are not aware of, but it is not going to help you manifest things. When you vibe on the same frequency as Earth has 7 to 8 hertz of frequency, and your heart and brain should vibe at same frequency, then your manifestations will start happening, and things will start happening in your favor automatically, effortlessly. But that is the basic thing. For that, for vibing at frequency of Earth, you have to practice slow breathing. When you breathe slowly, automatically your stress, anxiety get relieved, and your thoughts are becoming positive. Your relaxation response is triggered from vagus nerve, and automatically things will start happening in your favor because you are feeling stable, secure, and positive. You are full of happy hormones. So if you want to manifest things, don't learn new techniques. Just practice slow breathing. Everything you need is inside you, not outside. So you just have to practice things. First slow breathing, then spec method or law of attraction. Ask, believe, receive, or spec method. Select it, project it, expect it, collect it. But first, slow breathing. Be full within yourself. Be prosperous and abundance within yourself. Be contented. Be stable. Be calm. And then you can manifest anything. If you are resonating with my content, give like to my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the bell icon. If you have queries or suggestions, comment below. If you want to avail session from me, you can get my number and address in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.